Hello everyone, Deep Dive Tech here with another fun-filled video. Don't forget to like and subscribe before we dive into this great free content. So for today's video, we are going to dive in what is Git, what GitHub is, and what we can do with them. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of what I'm going to show you, let's go over some definitions so we can clear the air a bit, hopefully get a little bit of a better understanding. So to start, a Git is software for tracking changes in any set of files, usually used for coordinating work among programmers, collaboratively developing source code during software development. So then what a GitHub is a code hosting platform for version control and collaboration. It lets you and others work together on projects from anywhere. GitHub is completely free, which is a very interesting tool to use. So we got those two main things out of the way. There is another term I want to discuss, but I'll show you guys once we get to that point in the tutorial. So before we begin, I will let you know that I've been working on these for a while and finally starting to get used to it and understanding. So stick with me here. I might not be a genius on it, but I'm helping you guys. We're going to walk through it together and hopefully we can get something good out of this video. I have a lot of tutorial repos, so please don't judge me. This is like my 8th one, even though this is tutorial 4. I'm not going to show you how many I have. I have a lot. Don't worry about it. But so anyways, let's get into it. So to get started, we are going to create a new file on the GitHub web browser. So as you can see here, we can add file, create new one. We're gonna do web browser tutorial. Okay, and then we'll just type in stuff like I suck at this, but we will get through it. Deep dive tech. Awesome, perfect. So then after we do this, we're going to commit a new file. And this was the term I wanted to talk about before. So a commit is something we'll use later. After we'll use this after I submit and all that. But it's like a snapshot of your repo of these commits or snapshots of your entire repo at specific times. You should make new commits often based around logical units of change. So we're gonna web browser. Ooh, can I spell it right? Wow, I can't spell today. Browser tutorial. Bunch of nonsense. So, an important thing about this video, I want to tell you guys that instead of commit directly to the main branch, we're going to create a new branch for this commit and start a pull request. This will give you your own patch, and this is basically just for you, really. If you don't do this, then your other collaborators, if you have any, they can just do random changes when you weren't expecting that. So doing this is a good way for you, it's for yourself only. So we're going to propose a new file. And then we're gonna create a able to merge. That's great. So we're gonna create a pull request. And then it's all good to go. There's no conflicts. Green check. So we're gonna merge pull request, confirm the merge. And it is successful. So then what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna open this in the desktop. We're going to open that and it's going to switch over to here. Pull to commit. So we'll see what happened there. But we're going to show in the Finder. Oh, that's not good. Where'd it go? Pull the origin. That's it. Yeah, we had to pull the origin. That was my fault. Before we do that, before we can view the file, we had to pull the origin. That was my fault. Like I said, we're going through it together. So we're gonna see That's what I typed in before on the web browser. So we're going to add to it desktop version. I still suck at this. Like and subscribe though. All right, and then make sure you save it. Go to File and save it. And once you save it, you can exit out of that. And then we're gonna have to, and you can see as soon as I clicked on the update to do another commit, you can see all the changes I did. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say desktop, oh my God, desktop version, added nonsense, commit. Ooh, we're gonna make sure it's on. Leave my changes on me, bring my changes, switch branch. There it is. Yeah, we have to make sure the branch is correct. We want to do it to the one that I wanted, my own personal one. So we're gonna commit, and we're gonna push the origin. And it's gonna push, 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 push. Hang on. Awesome. Now we're gonna create a pull request. It's gonna take us back to the web browser, take us to another tab. We're able to merge. So same thing what we just did on desktop. And we're gonna go create a pull request. Check, 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 it's all good. Green check, it's always good. Green's good. We're gonna merge, confirm the merge. It's great. So we're gonna go back to the code and we're gonna see there's the web browser tutorial, desktop version. Now, if I click on this, there it is. It will have my desktop version right here and what I added in the desktop application. So yeah, it's really cool. It's neat. It's neat how they can go hand in hand. Like I said, it took me a while to understand it, but once you get the gist of it and understand what you're doing, it can be a little bit more easier on you. They also have a lot of like FAQs and like they help you through it, walk through like what to do and how to make this and what am I trying to say? What's appropriate, how they can share each other, and what you can do to access these files and all that whatnot. So yeah, that's basically what I have to show you guys today. I hope this was somewhat helpful, and we'll see you guys back here soon. All right.